Hello YouTube. Today I'm just going to show you how to install multiple applications using Night. A lot of people know this, but I just think it's really useful. And there's also a lot of people that do not know this website. But this website has multiple applications. So if you reinstall your operating system and you need to reinstall, let's say Google Chrome, Firefox, iTunes, or what have you, you don't have to go to each website every single time. So what you do is just go to open Google Chrome or any browser and just go navigate to night.com, NINITE.com. All right, you're gonna hit enter, and bada boom, you see all the applications. These are all free apps. All right, let's say I just reinstalled the operating system and I need to install TeamViewer, I need to install AnyDesk, Dropbox, what have you, FTP, free antivirus, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Edge, Brave, 7-Zip, WinRAR, Evernote. It has everything pretty much that any very a Python, Java, any like free software that you might need for the new install. And then you just select the applications you're gonna be installing. Let's say I'm gonna do this here. I'm not gonna do iTunes soon because you do meetings. And get your Night. It's gonna download this installer. This is, a lot of people know this, and this is really simple. But there's also a lot of people that are not aware of this website, which is really helpful. And then you just run that and it's going to start downloading all the apps. And if you already have the app installed, it's going to tell you that you have it. Okay, so that's it. That's how you save a bunch of times after a new install. Or if you purchase a new computer and you need all those apps, you don't have to go to each website and download and install the applications. All right, thank you so much. If you like the tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.